Dear students, welcome to DHS Informatics. Today in our machine learning playlist, we are adding Kmin clustering, Python coding. So that watch this session, I am going to explain Python code with the help of Jupyter Notebook. All the codes are clearly explained here. You can observe the things. Any clarification you want, please mention in the comment. We will able to rectify the things. Before entering to the coding part, I request you to subscribe our channel. You are not subscribed our channel, please press the subscribe button and then bell button so that you will get our next update quickly. Hi, now I am going to explain the Python coding for the Kmin clustering. Now in Kmin clustering there are three main steps are there. What are the things? Initialization, assignment, update. What is Kmin clustering? I already explained in my previous video about the Kmin clustering. Again I am telling you one clear view. Kmin clustering is a clustering algorithm that aims to partition n observation into k clusters. Example, in a classroom there are 100 students are there. The teacher want to group the student into 3 groups. Here the 100 students are called n observation. 3 groups, that is called k cluster. Here k is a 3, n is a 100. Like that it will able to do. We can able to create. Now in the 3 steps, initialization. Okay, what is meant by the initialization means we have to randomly generate the 3 points. That points we call it as a centroid. Centroid means a middle point, middle, like that we can do. Maybe I want to categorize the under student based on the subject mark. I can take a 3 centroid. Maybe one centroid will be 30, another centroid will be 40, another centroid will be 70. Like that assumption I am telling you, one example I am telling you, 30, 40, 70 I am taking, no, that is called middle point. That is the thing. Then assignment, k clusters are created by associating each observation with the nearest centroid. Now we have to look the student mark who are near to the mark 30, they will become a one cluster, that is one group. Who are near to the 40 marks, they become a second cluster. Who are near to the 70 marks, if they become the third cluster. Then update, the centroid of the cluster become the new mean. Okay, now what we have to do means it is not correct, no, 30, 40, 70, it is not equally distributed, no. So that what we have to do means we have to find the mean of the first 30. I told you, no, one cluster. In that 30 there are 10 students are coming. The 10 student mark we have to add and find the average of the 10 student mark. Suppose it is coming 35, then we have to move the cluster from 30 to 35. Similarly for 40 thing it will be moved to the 50, means we have to move to the 50. Like that we have to keep updating the things centroid for each cycle we have to do. That I will explain you clearly in the below session so that we will understand the things. Okay, now we are taking the things k equal to 3. Okay, now in this video I am going to show you Kmin cluster by the Python coding, and next thing using the built-in library in scikit-learn, and how we can able to use. Whenever we are using the built-in libraries, the number of line code will be simple. That means less only, we can able to easily get the result. Whereas we are writing the coding means you have to write all the procedure, no? That is the thing. In scikit-learn it is already built in. This is the thing. Okay. Now first thing, initialization. Before entering the thing, you should be aware of the Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib, all these things. Then only you can able to understand or else learn it. And if you are not knowing about this thing also, listen my speech so that you will understand the fundamental concept of the Kmin algorithm. Okay. Now I am taking one observation. in the x-axis and y-axis observation I'm taking, that are called data points. We call it as data points. The data points I'm storing in a data frame. Data frame, it comes under the pandas. Okay, I'm creating a one data frame by name df, like that. I'm creating one data frame. Okay, what is this x and y? You can see that you forgot about this red and blue and green thing. Only the block points only you can look. There are 19 points are there here. That 19 things it will come. For example, x equal to 12, y equal to 39. You can see in x 12 and y 39, this point is there. Similarly, all the 19 points will be there. Now we can able to keep that this is a roll number. These are the mark, like that. Also, you can able to keep the things. Each student roll number. Yeah, on assumption only 12, 20, 28, 18. These are the student roll number. These are the mark they got it in a exam. Okay, now we can do the things. Now next thing, now we have to create a 3 random points. I told you, 30, 40 and 70 we are getting the thing. To generate the random point we are declaring that k equal to 3. Here the np random seed equal to 200 you are giving. You can give 200 or 100 or 150 also can give. Based on that 3 clusters points are creating, that will be vary. That is a seed distribution, random number generation. It will be help in creating the random number in a distance. Okay, now we are keeping a 3. With this code I am creating a 3 points we created. Okay, that 3 points I am giving that the colors. That the first point is a R, second point is a G, third point is a B. That means R for red, green, blue. I am keeping the K color. I am keeping the things. And what I am going to do, I am plot that the 3 points in the graph. That is a thing, that is a red, green, blue points. Then we have to plot this block points, that 19 observations, for that we are using the plot xlim 0, 80, like that we are keeping the things and we are showing the things. So that automatically we are getting all these things, we are getting it. Okay, got it, no? Now next thing. Okay, now we are going to the assignment stage. In that assignment stage, what we have to do means, we have to identify which are the observations are near that red centroid, which are the observations are near to the green centroid and blue centroid, and we have to give the color code for the observations. Here, to find that nearest thing, we have to use that Euclidean distance formula. This is a Euclidean distance formula. That is, we are having a 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2. We are having a 2 points, means to find the distance we are using this formula, square root of x1 minus x2 to the power 2 minus y1 minus y2 to the power 2. We have to find, this will give the distance. So that what we are going to do means, we are finding the distance of the each point with the 3 centroid. That I can show it here, the first observation 12, 39. For the first centroid, what is the distance it is coming? What is the distance for the second centroid? What is the distance of the third centroid? Okay. Now after finding the distance, we can able to understand which is the nearest. Here you can see now 26. 26 is a less. So that we can able to say this x and y belongs to the cluster 1. That is a closest is a 1. That is a red R. That is I showed that is a 12, 39. 12, this become, you can see this point become red. This point become red. Similarly, we have to find for the all the 19 observation, and you can see 29, 54. It become a closest is blue. It is coming. You can 29. You can see 29 approximately it will come here, and it will come 54. 54 is coming here. 20, 50. This is become a blue. Like that it will become here. It is a third cluster. Second cluster may be green. Like that we are finding the distance. Okay, for that we are using this distance formula. Then we are finding that in this program we are finding that we are filling this this table, and we are finding that which is the closest and printing that details and the graph. That is the coding of these things. Got it? Good. Next. But this is not correct, no? It is not correctly formed, no? So that we have to go to the next thing is the update stage. We have to keep shifting the centroid again, finding the mean and moving the centroid again until the convergence happen. Convergence means no change happen. Until that we have to keep doing the thing. Then in the update state, what we are going to do means we are going to create the mean of that is the function is there. Mean of the all the observation in the particular cluster. For example, here for red we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For that we have to find the mean of the thing. Then we have to move this red centroid from here to that founded mean we have to move. Similarly for blue, similarly for the green we have to move. Again we have to find the mean, whether the centroid is changing or not. We have to keep on checking the things until it is not changing. Okay, after we are moving this red from here to here, we have to find which are the observations are closest to that centroid. We have to find like that. This process will be repeatedly, it will go. You can see the things. We are moving the thing, red from here to here, blue from here to here, green from here to here. That is the coding is happening. We are copying the thing, we are updating the centroid, and again we are finding the distance calculation will be there. They are calling the update function is there, no? Update function. We already declared the update function is here. We are calling the update function. Again we are doing the same thing. But it's moving. Then after that, after moving the thing, we have to find the centroid we have to find for the red color, which are the observations are closest. For blue color, which are the observations are closest. Like that we have to find and we have to plot it again. Even though here also one flaw is there, that a blue not belongs to here, it has to go here. That is the thing. So that it will be repeated, so that only this code while true means, what is the thing means, until that centroid is every loop the centroid is changing means this loop will be keep going only. When the centroid is not changing, it is fixing on the loop, this current loop and next loop, both are the same centroid giving. That time it is a convergence happen, it will be come out of the things. After it is coming out, these things are same thing only, what we used in the top, the same thing. You can see, no, convergence happen, all this thing is coming. Here this dark red and dark blue and dark green are the centroid. It is a virtually we created. You have to remove the thing, then I can able to say this red color thing is a 4 plus 3, that is a 7 observation belongs to cluster 1. Similarly, these are the blue cluster, these are the green cluster, we can able to tell. That's all. So we have the 3 clear cluster with the 3 means at the center of these clusters. So that this is the coding written manually by us. That is the thing we have to do. Okay. Now we are using the scikit-learn. We are going to operate with the scikit-learn. The same observation only I am taking the thing. I am importing the thing sklearn cluster. In that cluster Kmin library I am importing the thing. Here the fit means it will going to create that model. It will train the model. Then after that what we have to do means we have to give the data. We are fitting that Kmin thing we are fitting. Then df is what we are created the observation. That observation we have to give to the label. We have to give to the Kmin predict. We have to do the things. Then what will happen? We have to plot the figure here. Okay, figure plot. We can see the things. The simple code. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 10 lines only that will come. Instead of writing that much code, we can able to observe with the scikit-learn. We can able to get it this much. Okay, you got it now? This is a Kmin clustering. If you want this code means you can able to send in a comment. You can mention your mail ID. We will send the code to you. We will send this Jupyter Notebook code to you so that you can able to check it out. Any queries or things also you can mention. We can able to inform. We can able to clarify you. Okay. Thank you for watching this session, and let me know your opinion in the comment. And you like this video, press like button. You share this video to your friends for the more understanding. Thank you.